Good morning, children. Social Science, 10th Standard, History First Lesson, World War One, Second Part. Already you learn about first part. Today we are going to learn about cause of the war, peace conference in Paris, Versailles Treaty, fallout of the First World War. We saw that World War divided into central countries and allies. Cause of the war, central powers. Germany, Austria, Hungary, Turkey and Bulgaria were part of the central teams. Italy, who was running Germany, which was with Germany, and Austria later withdraw. Austria led to Italy's withdraw from Germany to restore the period of the Italian population in the area under the control of Hungary. In April 1915, France, England, Italy signed a London Secret Agreement. After the war, Italy found a war that the Central Powers thought would provide them with the areas they wanted. Allies: Russia, France, Italy, America, Belgium, Romania, Serbia, Greece, 9 countries opposed. Romania and Greece declared war against 1916 and 1917 central countries. The United States were neutral and provided financial assistance to England for 3 years. The Russian Emperor Nicholas II wanted to bring peace to the world, and in 1899 and 1907 there was a peace conference but ended in defeat. War in Western or French fort. The right to fight in behalf of the Allied force fell on the French force. Paris was to fall with a month. Battle of Tournant and Marne. The Battle of Tournant was fought between Russia and Germany between 26 and 30 August 1914. The first month of World War I, the battle resulted in the almost completed destruction of the Russian Second Army and the suicide of its commanding general Alexander Samsonov. Battle of Marne. This war was started in September 1914. French force conquered Germany. Germany introduced gas and then both sides used it. Trench warfare. The code dark by the soldiers helps to protect themselves from the troubles of enemies. And the cross vertical constructing Red Cross, which is a parallel to 2 to 4 elements, cannot be attacked by the enemies for more than a few steps, through which food, weapons, letters and new soldiers will arrive. Naval battles and Americans entry into the war. England began the North War of the Sea in 1916 and win. Germans launched submarine war. German ship disproved alliance. Germany announced imperial countries to sink in January 1917. Lusitania, a US ship, was attacked and sank in Germany. Americans died. The United States in anger and fury. President Woodrow Wilson declared war against Germany in April 1917 and the Allies win. Germany financially imposed a ceasefires on 11th November 1918. Unable to resist the Allies' attack. Peace conference in Paris. Ceasefire agreement signed in January 1919. Woodrow Wilson, US President, George, UK President, the Prime Minister of Clemenceau, France, were present at the Paris Peace Conference. Peace treaty was signed on 28 July 1919 at the Versailles Palace. Provincials of the treaty. Germany must pay $6,600 in installment for the crime of initiating the war. Germany was reduced to 1 lakh soldiers and was told to keep only a small fleet. Submarines should not have warplanes. Germany must respect the independence of Austria. The parts of Germany colonialism must be given up to the Allies. Alsace-Lorraine should give back the part of France. It was said that the Allies occupied would be under dry land. Last heading, fallout of the First World War. World War I had a profound impact on European social and political. The 4 years war between 1914 and 1918 killed 8 million people and wounded twice as many people as possible. Millions of people died of influenza due to the impact of the war. Soviet Russia was the rise and integrations of Russia during the First World War. The United States was a debit RNC and became a creditor after World War I. Efforts were made to achieve completed independence of the colonial countries. Turkey reincarnated as a country by Mustafa Kemal Pasha. He transformed Turkey from negative thinking and modernized it. Okay, we learn in this section about the trend and its consequence for World War I and the Versailles Agreement. Thank you.